session virtual supporting you improving playing for your products or service. Presenting B. Hilda Maria Chante. Presenting 2. Nesti Zoraida. Introduction. This word support the improving playing which masquerading for a possibility successfully sport has about the United Station. Problem approach. Despite the advantage in company might have this determination during the process of sporting goods, the hard exposing the risk during the incursion for market, the fears of the risks. They and company maximize when entering the market of foreign country of the various to sport. Objective formulation improving they will be obtaining competing the sport has about the United States. Project quality policy. The time of the has sporting avocado production project in community, the complying with the standard and requires legal and quality for the implementation of production cultivar of avocado has time sport within the physical, human and technology resource available with one compassion, market satisfaction of the final customer. Improving playing training. For the province is vital to have agriculture training such election of the agriculture within line will be established the need for and frequency planning the collaboration of white card with the pay teach trainer for time and training semiling before adapting recur specific typical aldi has under done in la slow team appointing the filming project activities what environment frogs impression productivity. Maintaining of avocado cultivation observing plan is made for the farming is addition. It is not why it was for managing a plantation with control. 2. Was of gardens. 3. Which person post contract. 4. Diesel contract. 5. Fertilizers. 6. Agriculture equipment. Audits. In order netter prevention quality and efficient the project audits will be started with the control activities planting to identify the plane spreading satisfies of the custom in order warrants certifying occurring special difficulty quality necessary efficiency of the deployment activity in which and with the quality attribution the difficult produce the project improving relation according which specific and need for clients. Thank you.